How to delete Grab account. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Google and then search for Grab Help Center. Tap on the website. After that, you just have to tell them that you want to delete your account. Write account deletion. If you cannot find it over here, you can directly write a mail to them to search for that. Search for Grab email, and yeah, you can just email them at press@grab.com saying that you want to delete your account and you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.